Previously on Arctic Jeff.
How do you pronounce that lake name?
Kashawakamak.
Kashawakamak. So, I gotta make a decision here if I'm getting gas or not. Welcome to Palmerston Lake Marina.
It's closed.
Yeah, the pump's on though.
Oh yeah?
$2 a liter. Four-wheeler. Whoa. Ooh, yeah, rocks.
You.
L'Enfant.
Crushing gravel.
We're crushing gravel. Careful that left turn at the top.
Yep. I don't know, I find typically the roads that have those yellow signs with lots of words are fun.
Yeah.
As long as they don't have a barricade across them. Jesus, if you could see, you might go a little slower.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any of the obstacles or hazards. Oh, I gotta hit continue. Shit. Oh.
Good work.
We are now on the back 9 of the gravel crusher loop. We make our way from Pakenham through Mississippi Mills.
I didn't know Mississippi Mills was this big. I'm not sure I've ever been here.
And meander back and forth through some gravel roads. And end up in Carleton Place.
Oh. Busy.
Yep.
There's another gas station. There's a Pioneer up in the corner.
You want to wait or go to the next one?
I'm next in line here. It's up to you guys.
Alright, no, I'll get in line.
After a stop for dinner in Carleton Place, we make our way to Perth, Ontario.
That's the Polaris dealer there.
Yeah, I'm surprised they leave all that stuff inside.
Yeah.
Which mainly consisted of asphalt riding. It's been a long, fun day, and we were conscious of remaining daylight and how much time we would need to get home. Once we reach Perth, we make the executive decision to ride the Railbed from Perth to Sharbot Lake.
Ooh, that sun. Now this is some crushed gravel, eh?
Yeah. Have you ridden this before?
Yes.
Okay.
On snowmobiles. I think it was the first winter that I got my new Arctic Cat snowmobile. I was driving along here. It was a little bit later than this, like the sun was just about setting. And it was like the trail had just been groomed.
Oh yeah.
It was so mint. Like it was just absolutely awesome. You want to do your camera?
Yeah, sure. Hang on, here. Is it on?
So the blue light on. Does it flash or just solid blue?
Well, the screen should light up.
It is lit up, yep.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Now you're good. Do I go second?
Oh, I'm okay. Oh. What's he doing?
I have no idea.
Do we need to stop anywhere in Sharbot Lake?
It'll be interesting to see if we cross any other traffic on these rail beds tonight.
Yeah, I don't know about this time of night, but
Yeah. Especially, you know, on a
on
night
a
that's
school
full of-
night.
yeah, school night, work night. We got
Four-wheelers.
yeah.
The hell is that?
Four-wheeler of some kind.
Yeah.
What's that bump there?
Yep. I was looking at his antenna.
Yeah. Changed gravel type here.
Yeah. Jesus. Sun pops right in your eye.
Yeah.
Good thing you still have your glasses on.
Well, it's still glaring. I'll definitely put a disclaimer in that this is not part of the ride to Highlands. It's getting harder to see the obstacles.
Getting colder too.
Yeah, I want to throw my other gloves on.
Yeah, I get him to stop at Sharbot Lake.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Yep. Water hole.
Oh shit!
I tried the other side.
You went to the other side? Okay. Any better?
Yep. I barely got wet.
I think Sharbot Lake is next, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, puddle.